Hi and welcome to Bucket List Guides, and welcome to the RW Boutique Hotel in Istanbul, Turkey. So the RW Boutique Hotel was a great little hotel located in the old town of Istanbul in the Sultanahmet area. It's within minutes walking to the Blue Mosque, the Hagia Sophia, the Hippodrome and the Istanbul Cistern. It came with a great breakfast and a comfortable, well air-conditioned room. Let's take a look at it. So the hotel does have a lift, which we'll show you in a little while. It was pretty small. The rooms, however, were decent size for this level of hotel. Ours had twin beds, and some of them do come with little living area, suite type facilities. The bathroom was on the left. It was clean and tidy. Again, we'll show you that in a second. The beds were comfortable. The air conditioning worked. It also comes with chargers by the bed, which you think would be normal nowadays, but it's not. And you can control all the lights from the bed, so you don't have to get up and then feel your way in the dark. Power is pretty good. You do need the 2-pin adapter if you're coming from Europe. It also had a window. We did get the cheap room, so our window was a view of the roof and some cats that used to sleep on it. The mini fridge was empty, but it was very cold and you do get water. The safe worked, could fit a decent sized laptop, and the TV was a smart TV, so you could add your own Netflix and your own Amazon Prime or whatever you wanted into the TV. So you could have some entertainment in the evening if Istanbul didn't take your fancy. It had a big mirror and it had a little wardrobe, but that was big enough for how long you're probably going to be staying in there. We were only there for 3 nights as we're going on a cruise, so we just left our stuff in the suitcase. Now the bathroom was modern and well equipped and came with a lovely hot shower, which was useful because Istanbul is hard walking, it's hard on the legs, and there's plenty to see, so you will definitely need a shower at the end of the day. The hairdryer was built in, so you don't have to go looking for that. And as you can see, it had a decent rain shower that was lovely actually, and it comes with toiletries attached as well. Now, I did say I'd show you the lift, and the reason being is it is pretty small, but it does work. So basically you can get 2 suitcases and one of me. And as you can see, I put on a little bit of weight being back on holiday, which I hope to lose soon. So yeah, that's me turning around in the lift, and it is big enough for 1 person and some suitcases, or 2 people. It's not going to help the fact that the breakfast is so good, so you're going to definitely get bigger if you stay here. The views are out to sea, and it's lovely actually to spend breakfast in the morning there. Now the breakfast is a Turkish breakfast, and we've got a video of the waitress putting it on the table, and then a couple of photos just to show you that it changes as well. So you do get the usual fare of fruit, cheeses, olives, I think 3 or 4 different sorts of honey with cream on it. It really was very, very, very good. It also comes with tea and coffee, and they will make your eggs to order within reason, so you can get scrambled or fried or an omelette should you wish. And a couple of photos are coming up now.
One with the old woman who was platform.
Just to let you know, that is for 2 people, not 1. So I didn't manage to eat all that myself. So as we said, it really is a nice hotel. There is a cafe next door, and they should give you a little cake voucher where you can go get a cake. The views are city views, to be fair, with a little sliver of the Blue Mosque, which you can just see above the roof there. But if you're thinking of staying somewhere in Istanbul for about between 70 and 80 euros a night with a breakfast like this, it really is worth it, and the staff there were superb. So we can't recommend it enough. Hopefully this has been useful to you. If it has, please drop us a like and a subscribe, because we are growing and we are nearly at 1,000, and that's a big deal for us. So thanks a lot, and we'll catch you in the next video.